Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's start with what we'll be anticipating for on when market opens on our Swiss franc JPY. So guys, once again, click on that subscribe button if you have not yet. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make a comment. So let's start with our trade on Euro Swiss franc JPY. We can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. Market is very much clearly on a bullish move. So let's start here. If this market gave us high here, then this will be seen as our higher low, which is an impulsive move. Then here is our impulsive move. Then comes our corrective phase. This here will be seen as an impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. Market eventually pushed up and gave us an impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. Market eventually pushed up again and gave us an impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. So market has now pushed up again to form an impulsive move. Is this a movement over? Definitely not. So further movement to the upside is still what we will be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. But when you take a look at your forward time frame, a pullback is currently forming, which is likely to come to tap and retest this our previous resistance. Because when you take a look at it here, right, on your daily time frame, you can see that within this level, market once ranged within this level, right? The market eventually pushed up and broke out of it, right? What is market doing now? Market is pulling back. So this pullback is very much likely to come to test this resistance level. And if market does that, it will likely to push up. So with what I'm saying, market is still giving us a pullback phase. It's still giving us a pullback. So we should be still be anticipating for that pullback at least to a level of 195, 150. That should be our target for the day first. If market can come and tap a level of 195, 120 or 150, anyone, then we can now start looking for either a buy from the level or a buy from the previous resistance level. So whatever market we do, we still need the pullback to be played first. Once the pullback plays out first, then we can now start anticipating for a buy on Swiss franc JPY.